Hey everybody, welcome to Crypto Noobs, the YouTube channel where we bring you news about crypto and the crypto market. Today is going to be a late video. My time is around 11:30 on Tuesday, October 4th. I'm not going to talk about too much about what happened in the news today in crypto. I'm just going to talk about what happened today in the market. I have TradingView up on the screen right now. I will talk about what happened in the news in crypto tomorrow, maybe sometime around a little after noonish, maybe like around 1 or 2. But for now, I just want to talk about the crypto market, what happened with Bitcoin today. I think in my last video, um, Bitcoin was roughly around 19,100, between 19,100 and 19,200. And right now I'm at the 30-minute um, screen, I guess you can say. And since then, since yesterday, Bitcoin had some bit of a rally till up to right now. It went up about, I would say, 1,600 ish, and it's resting right now at around 20,000, a little under $20,100. Hold on, let me get this out of the way real quick. But yeah, in my last video, I think I mentioned this line. This line went all the way up, started all the way up at the all-time high at 69,000 sometime in November, I think. And as you can see right here, it completely blew right through that line and it's resting up between these two margins right here. These two margins go all the way back, I guess a couple of months. This is where it had some of its support and resistance, along with between 19,600 and 19,750-ish. But Bitcoin for the past couple of hours blew right through that, and it had quite a nice rally since then. Whoever was trading this, if they had a lot of Bitcoin in the portfolio, then they made a nice little chunk of change right here. I think this went up about a couple percentage points, I guess you could say. But this isn't going to last very long. I don't know what promoted or like the reason why this rally happened. It could be a number of things. You may never know in the crypto market. Maybe a whale got in at this point and wanted to see the rally happen so he can make a nice couple coin change off of it. Maybe a group of smaller whales got together and made this rally happen, or maybe something in the news that happened with Bitcoin that caused this rally that made a lot of people start to buy in. I haven't really seen anything in the crypto news about Bitcoin, other than it's slowly gaining like adoption. Some adoption is happening with Bitcoin where you can pay for goods and services. But yeah, it kind of reached this point back in September 27th, only a week or two ago. I guess a couple of days. Let me go back. Let's go into the daily chart and let's see. TradingView likes to do crazy stuff. TradingView likes to do crazy stuff whenever you change the from the daily to the minute to 30 minutes to an hour. But as you can see here, it's falling along some of my lines that I've made in the previous, I guess the last time it had its major dump around June 15th to June 17th. I made this box back here because I felt like this is some of the most resistance and support areas, mostly through here, but it's clearly falling along those support lines. And this is the line that started up back in at the 69,000 mark when Bitcoin was at that price. And, you know, it's not going to last very long. Whoever made this trade made a couple of good, cash returns, I guess you can say, off of this trade. But every major rally that Bitcoin has, it has an equal amount or greater correction. And so I can only see it go sideways here in the next couple of days, or it might go back down to maybe a little under 19,000. But I would think that it would go sideways for a couple of days, and then I feel like it'll come back down to maybe 1916, and then see it correct for a little bit, and then maybe possibly follow this line right here. But this is the crypto market. Anything can happen. Any sort of bullish or bearish news can definitely change the course of what Bitcoin wants to do, at least for most traders. But until then, we can only hope and see how things run and see how people would react to it. Again, this is very light TA for me. I'm not a big TA person. I typically just follow what happens in the crypto news and what people are talking about in that space. But that's pretty much all I can see, at least for the next couple of days, how Bitcoin is going to proceed. Somewhere around this lines right here, I can only see it go down to maybe 16.5. I'm sorry, 19,500, but only until like maybe mid-October, and then possibly follow this line all the way up. It doesn't have enough hype. Bitcoin does not have enough news to cause a major rally that surpasses 20,000, 22,000, even not even to 25,000. Like there's nothing happening that would cause that sort of thing, unless a bunch of whales get together, make this trade, and see it go all the way up, buy this little mini dip, see it go all the way up, and then just cash out, making quite a big lump of change. But you may never know. So that's all the time I have for today, or at least for tonight. I spent around about 8 to 10 minutes on this video. I'll have more fleshed out news for you tomorrow. But yeah, I just wanted to make this quick video just to let you people know that Bitcoin did have a nice rally today, and it's definitely correcting itself as of now. So I don't know, let's see how it happens, or let's see what happens in the next couple of days. If you like the content, please subscribe. If you have any questions, concerns, or you want any kind of information about any projects or crypto terms or slang that you don't understand, or you want fully fleshed out definitions, please comment in the comments below. So until then, I'll see you guys next time, and I hope everything goes well in your future. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.